Okay. So SAP Basis Class 1. SAP Basis Class 1 in English language. So in Google, you type like TATM 12 underscore 2 SAP learning. In Google, you type like that in Google search and press enter key means this is the first one we want to print. When we click this one, we got this in this book. Now we are discussing about describing SAP system architecture. This is one of the unit. When click here, in that unit, 3 lessons is there. So today we are taking lesson 1. Lesson 1 is describing SAP systems. Describing SAP systems. In this lesson, I'm going topic 1 as now. Topic 1 as SAP S/4HANA introduction. SAP S/4HANA introduction is the topic 1. Okay. The new world is SAP S/4HANA. First of all, SAP S/4HANA means it is one of the product or be called as software. SAP S/4HANA is the name of the software. SAP S/4HANA is the name of the software. SAP S/4HANA means it is one of the software. SAP S/4HANA means is the name of the software. Here, the new world is SAP S/4HANA. What they're telling? Your future SAP software is SAP S/4HANA only. So, your future SAP software, your future SAP software is SAP S/4HANA. That's one they're telling. SAP S/4HANA stands for means full form. SAP S/4HANA stands for SAP suite for SAP HANA database. SAP S/4HANA stands for SAP suite for SAP HANA database. So here, don't confuse. SAP S/4HANA means is main software name. SAP HANA means it is database software name. SAP HANA means database software name. SAP HANA S/4HANA means main software name. Don't confuse. SAP S/4HANA and SAP HANA both are not same. So first of all, we want to know SAP S/4HANA and SAP HANA both are not same. So SAP S/4HANA means it is the main suite, main SAP suite. SAP S/4HANA is main SAP suite. SAP HANA means database software name. You cannot install SAP S/4HANA. It is only the product name. Clearly, they're telling you cannot install SAP S/4HANA. It is only the product name. You cannot install SAP S/4HANA. You cannot install SAP S/4HANA. It is only the product name. Say SAP S/4HANA means software. It is the name, product, software name only. You are not installing SAP S/4HANA. By using SAP S/4HANA, by using SAP S/4HANA, we are installing SAP S/4HANA server system. You can install one of the SAP systems. By using SAP S/4HANA, you can install SAP systems. You can install SAP systems. That means SAP S/4HANA server. SAP S/4HANA server. SAP S/4HANA server. SAP S/4HANA server. SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system, and it is above based SAP system, or we called as, in shortcut, we called as AS ABAP. AS means application server. You are, suppose clearly I'm telling, here you are installing SAP S/4HANA software in your laptop. By you are not installing SAP S/4HANA product. By using SAP S/4HANA product, we are installing SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system, and it is ABAP based SAP system. Okay, first of all, after again we discuss that one. First of all, SAP S/4HANA releases. Now we want to know about, clearly you got it clearly, SAP S/4HANA is software. When it is released, what are the versions they release? We want to check now. First SAP S/4HANA release. First SAP S/4HANA release is SAP S/4HANA on-premise 1511. SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. That is the first release. SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. That is the first version. It is the name. By this name, they release the version. By this name, they release SAP S/4HANA software. This is the first version by this name. SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. Here, release to customer, general availability, mainstream maintenance is there. First of all, we want to know this one. What is release to customer? Release to customer means, in shortcut, RTC is there. General availability. For example, I have one shop. Regularly customers is there. First, what I do, is there any offer I put means, first I tell to my customers only. After I providing that offer to all my regular customer, I tell that offer to, and I put that offer public. Like that here also, SAP, when they releasing a new software, first they release to customers. Here we saw in 10/11 in 2015, they released to customers only. After 11, 12, after 5 months, they release that software in the market. General availability means movie is there. Movie release date. Like that, general availability means on this day onwards, this product version, this software is available in the market to everyone. This date means this software is available only to customers only. Mainstream maintenance means it is the expired date. Medicine is there. Medicine, this is the manufacture date, and this is the expired date. Or otherwise, your credit card is there. Credit card validity from and validity through is there, like that. So this is the release date, and this is the software available date. After this date is completed, this product version is not available in the market. They don't use. Why? SAP, they're telling, I provide support until this date. After this date is completed, I don't provide support like that. So that's why in company, before we are installing any product version, first of all, we want to check this mainstream maintenance date is completed or not. Now here, in 2016, first SAP S/4HANA version is released. That means before 2016, there is no SAP S/4HANA software. Before 2016, there is no SAP S/4HANA software in the market. So this product version is not available nowadays for me. And in company server, they don't use that product version, SAP S/4HANA on-premise edition 1511. So you tell previously from 2016 to 20, this product version on that day they use. Nowadays, they don't use that product version. Next, In same year, in 2016, they release another version. They release SAP S/4HANA another version by this name. In 2016 only, they release another SAP S/4HANA version by this name, SAP S/4HANA 1610. SAP S/4HANA 1610. In which year? In 2016 only they release. Here in 2016 only it is released, and mainstream maintenance date is completed 2021. So they provide from 2016 to 2021. In that period, that product version is available. In that period, in company server, they use this product version. Next, in 2016, they release another product version by this name, SAP S/4HANA 1709. SAP S/4HANA 1709 is another version. By that name, they release SAP S/4HANA product in 2017. SAP S/4HANA 1709. In which year it is released? In 2017, it is released. 2022, 2017, 2022. Here extended maintenance is there. Mainstream maintenance, okay. Here what is extended maintenance means? Suppose your mainstream maintenance date is completed. So within three years, they're providing extended maintenance. What is this extended maintenance means? In that period, you use that product version, SAP S/4HANA 1709. But when you are applying patches, when you are upgrading on that time, you want to pay some amount to SAP. For maintenance purpose, we want to pay some amount because you are using that product version in extended maintenance period. That's why. So this extended maintenance also is completed. Next, another version they release in 2018. In 2018, they release another version by SAP S/4HANA 1809. By that name, they release SAP S/4HANA 1809. By that name, they release another product version in 2018. Same 2023, 2025. Okay, now another product version they release in 2019 by that name SAP S/4HANA 1909. By that name they release another product version in 2019. SAP S/4HANA 1909. So in 2019 they release this one also 2024, 2025. 2024, 2025. Next, another version they release. SAP S/4HANA 2020. By that name, they release another version. SAP S/4HANA 2020. In 2020 year, they release. SAP S/4HANA 2020. In 2020 year, they release. 2025 is completed. So we are telling in previously this versions is available. Nowadays that versions is not available because that versions is expired. So like that telling. So this all versions in SAP S/4HANA, this all versions in previously is there, but nowadays is not there. It is dead. So that's why I put red color. Red color means this versions is not available nowadays. It is not possible to use these versions nowadays. Okay, next. SAP S/4HANA 2021. So by this name, they release another version, SAP S/4HANA 2021 in 2021 year. SAP S/4HANA 2021 in 2021 year. In 2021 year, here 2026, this year end, that product version is expected. Means when we enter into the 2027 year, that product version is not available. But nowadays it is possible to use this product version in company server because mainstream maintenance date is not completed. Next, they release another product version by that name SAP S/4HANA 2022. By what name is SAP S/4HANA 2022? Another version. In which year? In 2022 year they release. 2022-2027. This product version is also available for installing in company server for maintaining purpose. Now another version. This is the latest, previous version. This is the previous version SAP S/4HANA 2023. SAP S/4HANA 2023. In which year it is released? 2023. So 2030 is the mainstream maintenance end date. 2030. So this one also is possible to use in company server. Here we saw in 2016 two versions they released. 2017, 18, 19, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. So from 2016 onwards, every year they release SAP S/4HANA version. But in 2024 year, they did not release SAP S/4HANA 2024. So they did not release SAP S/4HANA 2024 in 2024 year. Directly they release after SAP S/4HANA 2023. Directly they release SAP S/4HANA 2025 in which year? In 2025 year. (2032). So now here we saw this SAP S/4HANA 2021, this year end is completed. That's why mostly what they do means, who are using this version in company server, they upgrade this SAP S/4HANA version from 2021 to 2023 or 2025. Like that they do. Now, here they did not release 2024. This year also, in this 2026 year also, they are not releasing SAP S/4HANA. They're directly releasing SAP S/4HANA 2027 next year. So this year they are not releasing 2026. Next year and Q4 means October, November, September, October, November, December. This 4 months is Q4. September, October, November, December. Then next year in September or October or November or December, on that time, they're releasing SAP S/4HANA 2021, 2027, 2034. So they are not releasing SAP S/4HANA 2026. In 2027 year, 2030. But nowadays, this is the latest version. This is the latest version is available. And this is the previous version is available. Okay, now what are the SAP S/4HANA versions is there now? SAP S/4HANA 2021 is available. SAP S/4HANA 2022 is available. SAP S/4HANA 2023 is available. SAP S/4HANA 2025 is available. So these 4 versions is available nowadays in SAP S/4HANA product. Okay, now here I told no. Okay, before telling that one, here types of SAP systems. Types of SAP systems. Two types is there. One is ABAP based SAP system. In shortcut, we call another name is AS ABAP. We called as AS ABAP or ABAP based SAP system. And another one is Java based SAP system, or we called as AS Java. So two types of SAP systems is there. Okay. Now I show here. Here also we saw A to Z. S alphabet. A to Z. Roll down. S for Hana. Here we saw only these 4 versions is available. SAP S4HANA 2021, SAP S4HANA 2022, SAP S4HANA 2023, SAP S4HANA 2025. Total 4 versions is available. Now, here we saw install an ABAP system, install an Java system. So by using SAP software, it is possible to install ABAP system and it is possible to install Java system. Now, by using SAP S4HANA, SAP S4HANA is supported for installing ABAP system and Java system. So first of all, we discussed about ABAP based SAP system. First of all, I discussed about ABAP based SAP system. In shortcut, we called as AS ABAP. Okay, AS means application server. AS full form is application server. Okay, now, so here we saw SAP S4HANA Server 2025. What are they telling? They are not telling SAP S4HANA 2025. They are telling SAP S4HANA Server 2025. So SAP system name. They are telling SAP system name. Here also we saw install an SAP S4HANA server system. They're telling SAP S4HANA server system. What they're telling there? Install an SAP S4HANA server system. They're telling. So SAP S4HANA server is one SAP system. It is SAP system. SAP S4HANA server is SAP system. SAP S4HANA server is ABAP based SAP system. That means what here I'm doing by using SAP S4HANA 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2025. I use that one. I'm installing SAP S4HANA server system. So in company they told, so that is SAP S4HANA server system. So on the time in your mind, what we get? SAP S4HANA server system is, it is ABAP based SAP system. By using SAP S4HANA product, we install that SAP S4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system and it is ABAP based SAP system. And another important point. So SAP, we want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. We want to install SAP S/4HANA server system. Only SAP HANA DB is available. SAP HANA DB software is available only in Linux OS only. Linux OS. Linux means SUSE or Red Hat. SUSE or Red Hat OS. So that means SAP S/4HANA server system is supported to install only in HANA database only. No other database is not supported for installing SAP S/4HANA server system. HANA database software is available only in Linux operating system only. That means it is possible to install HANA database software in SUSE OS or Red Hat OS. So we want to install SAP HANA DB means minimum 32 GB RAM required and minimum 300 GB free space required. We want to install SAP S/4HANA means we want to install SAP S/4HANA server system means minimum 128 GB RAM required and minimum 600 GB hard disk required. So we want to learn SAP basis course for practice in SAP S/4HANA possible, but minimum that required. In market, we want to buy rent minimum. This one means it will be per month like 20 to 30K between. That's why it is costly server. It is costly. So who are learning SAP basis course students, those have only 32 GB RAM, laptop 64 GB, 1 TB hard disk, 500 GB hard disk like that. But this much requirement is not possible here. RAM is very, very important. And another important point, once again I'm telling, SAP S/4HANA is main software name. SAP HANA is the database software name. SAP S/4HANA server is SAP system name. So don't confuse SAP S/4HANA, SAP HANA, both are not same. SAP S/4HANA means is main suite software name. SAP HANA means database software name. SAP S/4HANA server means SAP system name. By using SAP S/4HANA, we are installing SAP S/4HANA server system on HANA database. Okay. Now, we want to know about SAP release and software components. SAP release and software components. So this is very important. Now we want to know about here. Now we are discussing only ABAP based SAP system only now. Now we are discussing about ABAP based SAP system only. Software components here. I don't have S4HANA system. Here NetWeaver system is there. I'm showing software components. In every ABAP based SAP system, software components is available. First of all, this is very, very important step. In every ABAP based SAP system, software components is available. Okay, so here, now I'm showing about software components. I'm logging. Okay. Okay, here, SAP underscore basis SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore ABA. These two software components are very, very important. These two software components are very, very important. Why? In every ABAP based SAP system, these two software components compulsory available. So these two software components we found in every ABAP based SAP system. In every ABAP based SAP system like this, they show installed software components version. Here we saw, these are the software components. Total 6 software components is available in the system. So here we saw SAP underscore basis, SAP underscore ABA is there. Like that in every ABAP based SAP system, software components is available. This is S4HANA 2025. Here we saw S4HANA 2025 also software components is there. SAP basis ABA is there. Here we saw in S4HANA, S4 core is there. This S4 core software component is only available in S4HANA only. This S4 core software component is available only in S4HANA only. Okay, here SAP underscore basis, here release is there, no? That is the release. Now here, okay. Now SAP S4HANA 1511 is 750 release. SAP S4HANA 1610 release is 751. SAP S4HANA 1709 release is 752. SAP S4HANA 1809 release is 753. SAP S4HANA 1909 is 754. SAP S4HANA 2020 is 755. SAP S/4HANA 2021 is 756. SAP S/4HANA 2022 is 757. SAP S/4HANA 2023 is 758. SAP S/4HANA 2025 is 816. Here we saw SAP S/4HANA 2025 release is 816. How I tell SAP release? By seeing software component SAP underscore basis. Here release, whatever release is there in SAP underscore basis software component, that is the release. So now here SAP S/4HANA 2025 release is 816. So in every ABAP based SAP system, these two software components compulsory is available. In S/4HANA, S4 core is there. S4 core software component is available only in S/4HANA only. And here we saw how many software components is there? 90 is there. 90 software components is there. In another product version, only 6 software components is there. Here what we understand, in every product version, in different softwares is there. So in all softwares, we did not found same product version, same software components. In all softwares, we did not found same software components. We found different software components. But these two software components we found in every ABAP based SAP system. Okay, now we want to know about release is completed, software component is completed. Now we want to know about SAP kernel. SAP kernel is one of the SAP software. SAP kernel, two types of software is there. SAP kernel, two types of software is there. One is Unicode kernel. In shortcut, we called as UC. And another one is non-Unicode kernel. In shortcut, we called as NUC. NUC kernel is supported up to 740 release and lower releases. SAP kernel is supported up to 740 release and lower releases. Okay, that means here SAP S/4HANA all versions are 750, 751, 752, 753, 754, 755, 756, 757, 758, 816. SAP S/4HANA 2021, 2022, 2021, 2022, 2023. 2021 is SAP S/4HANA 2021 is 755. SAP S/4HANA 2022 is 756. SAP S/4HANA 2023 is 757. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. It is 756, 757, 758. SAP S/4HANA 2025 is 816. So now we have only these 4 product versions only. So about these releases. Now we want to install any product version means non-Unicode kernel software is not supported. Why means non-Unicode kernel software is supported up to 740 and lower releases only. That means now we want to install above these 4 versions means we want to use Unicode kernel only. In installing time, we require kernel software. After installation also, based on kernel only, the software components will be work. Based on kernel only, installed software components will be work, or otherwise remove this one. Based on kernel only, installed software will be work. Based on kernel only, installed software work. That means here we saw. When we click here, they show kernel. When installing time, we require kernel. After installation also, kernel work properly means it is possible to log on and use this system. Kernel is not working means it is not possible to log on. Kernel means like pillars. For home, pillars is there. On earth, pillars. On top of pillars, home is there. So SAP kernel pillars both are same. What is kernel? Kernel is the definition. Kernel is the runtime environment to run the software component. Okay, now I want to know kernel versions. Which kernel versions is supported? SAP S/4HANA 2021. For installing SAP S/4HANA 2021, which kernel version is supported? Now I want to see that one. SAP kernel 793 64-bit Unicode is supported. SAP kernel 793 64-bit Unicode. This kernel version is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA Server 2021. SAP S/4HANA 2021. So that means now I want to install SAP S/4HANA Server 2021 means this kernel version is supported. This is the version name, kernel version name, SAP kernel 793. They're telling 64-bit Unicode kernel they're telling. Okay, now we want to know about SAP S/4HANA 2022. SAP S/4HANA 2022 also same only. Same kernel version. SAP S/4HANA 22. Now we want to know SAP S/4HANA 2023. So here we are knowing which kernel version is supported for SAP S/4HANA 2022, 2021, 2023. That information we are seeing. Why means before installing SAP S/4HANA server system, we want to check which kernel version is supported. Same kernel version. Which database is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA server system? Which kernel versions is available for installing SAP S/4HANA server system? So like that information we are knowing here. Now finally, latest version 2025, which kernel version is supported? For installing SAP S/4HANA server 2025, which kernel version is supported? SAP kernel 916. 916, different kernel version here. 916. Okay, now we got it here. Clearly, I'm telling only Unicode kernel version only is supported. Non-Unicode kernel is not supported for installing SAP S/4HANA server system because SAP S/4HANA releases is 750 and higher releases. Non-Unicode kernel is supported up to 740 and lower releases only. So that's why for installing SAP S/4HANA server, not Unicode system only supported 793 and 916. These two kernel versions is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA server system. And another important point, here we saw SAP S/4HANA server 2025, SAP S/4HANA foundation 2025. So that means I want to install SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2025 means separately I want to install. But here we saw when install SAP S/4HANA 2025, we got SAP S/4HANA server system and we got SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2025 and we got application server ABAP 2025. When we install SAP S/4HANA server 2021, there we got SAP S/4HANA server system server 2025, 2021 system, SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2021. And application server ABAP 2021. These three are installing. These three are installing. Application server ABAP. Here we saw S/4HANA Foundation also is there here. Here we saw S/4HANA. Here we saw S/4HANA Foundation. ABAP, AS ABAP. AS ABAP, SAP S/4HANA. SAP S/4HANA 2025 on-premise. It is on-premise system. ABAP, S/4HANA Foundation is there. So we got three when we install. S/4HANA 2022 means here SAP S/4HANA Server 2022 system, SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2022, Application Server ABAP 2022. 2023 means same. SAP S/4HANA Server 2023 system, SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2023, Application Server ABAP 2023. 2025 means same. Okay, so in S/4HANA server system only, we got SAP S/4HANA Foundation. So there is an option. We want to install SAP S/4HANA separately also option is there. We use that option also. You want to install SAP S/4HANA Foundation separately means you use and you install SAP S/4HANA Foundation separately also. But when you install SAP S/4HANA Server 2025, in that SAP S/4HANA Server 2025 system, we got SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2025 also. And another important point, SAP S/4HANA, two types of software is there. SAP S/4HANA, two types of software is there. One is IDES software and another one is non-IDES software. So two types of SAP S/4HANA software is there. One is IDES software and another one is non-IDES software. So here in company, two types of models is there. Functional models. Functional modules are FI. FI means financial. FICO, controlling. SD, sales and distribution. MM, material management. PM, QM, PP. Like that, functional models. They are all came on functional models. And another one is technical models. Technical models are basis, security, like that. Now, ideas, no? It is idea system. It is non-idea system. Ideas, non-idea system. So they make connection between these two systems. So in these ideas, SAP deliver this one. SAP provide this software. Exactly we want to install this one only. This is ideas only. Here for this system, I did not apply patches. Initial shipment stack means 0 patch level only. Why I did not apply patches means this is provided by SAP. For this system, patches supply is not possible. Any other add-on install is not possible. Any other add-on install is not possible. Any additional component I want to install is not possible. Patches supply is not possible. So here, whatever here we saw 0 patch level all. 0 patch level means here initial shipment stack means 0 patch level. This is idea system only. In this system, this is already developed for business purpose. So in this system, this functional users is there, no? That functional users log in that system, they develop business. This system is supported for developing business. This idea server is supported for developing business. For what purpose we use non-idea software? SAP S/4HANA idea software is there. SAP S/4HANA non-idea software is there. For what purpose we use SAP S/4HANA non-idea means here we saw add-on. For example, SAP S/4HANA 2025. This system is not supported for security. Security users want to log on to SAP S/4HANA server. They want to do their work means the system is not supported. So they want security. On the time, what they do? They install non-IDs in separate system. They configure security. How they configure security means like these add-ons. Security add-ons is there here. They use that add-on and install that add-on and configure security in the system and make connection between these two systems. On that time, users work security in the system. So on that time, this system supports security. When I put separate non-IDA system, SAP S/4HANA non-IDA system, in that SAP S/4HANA non-IDA system, I configure security means. So on that time, so security also work in this system. So I did not configure this system. Only this system is there means in this system, security will not work. So that's why we use non-IDA system. For installing additional components purpose, we use non-IDA system. In IDA system, apply patches is not possible. We want to change anything. We want to install add-on and everything is not possible. Exactly SAP, what they deliver, we use like that only. So that IDA system only supported for developing business. Why in S/4HANA, IDS, non-IDS, two types of softwares is there means because SAP S/4HANA is enterprise management software. Business management software, company business managed software. SAP S/4HANA is enterprise management software. In enterprise management software only, IDS, non-IDS is available. In enterprise management software only, IDS software, non-IDS software is there. SAP S/4HANA is enterprise management software. That's why in SAP S/4HANA, IDS software is there, non-IDS software is there. But remember, so this IDS software is supported. They developed entire business in IDS software. Means that IDS software is supported for developing business. That functional users log in IDS software. They sales and distribution. What are the sales is there? What are the I want to distribute? Financial controlling. What are the amount details and everything? By using IDS, they develop that one. But in non-IDS, it's not possible. So this is about, so here we are learning about two types of SAP S/4HANA software is there. Enterprise management software. When we install SAP S/4HANA server system, we got SAP S/4HANA Foundation, ABAP, application server ABAP, SAP S/4HANA. Clearly I'm showing here. When we, here I install SAP S/4HANA server 2025. Here I got SAP S/4HANA server 2025, application server ABAP, SAP S/4HANA Foundation 2025 is there. These three are add-ons. This one, this one add-on. So that's what are the kernel versions is supported, I clearly show. How many types of kernel software is there, I told clearly. So this SAP releases also I told clearly. So which kernel versions is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA server system, I told clearly. About software components, which software components we found in every ABAP-based SAP system. In S/4HANA, SAP S/4 core software component is there. So I told about SAP S/4HANA, SAP HANA, SAP S/4HANA server system. How much RAM is required for installing HANA database hard disk for installing SAP S/4HANA, I told clearly. Types of SAP system, about SAP S/4HANA releases, everything I told clearly. Okay, now ABAP-based SAP system is completed. Now we complete about ABAP-based SAP system. Now we go to Java-based SAP system. Java-based SAP system. So today in class 1 SAP basis course, in class 1, we are discussing about SAP S/4HANA introduction releases. SAP S/4HANA releases is one of the topic in that lesson. So here we saw SAP S/4HANA Java 2025 option is there. That means it is possible to install SAP S/4HANA Java. SAP S/4HANA product is supported for installing Java-based SAP system also. So SAP S/4HANA 2021 Java, SAP S/4HANA 2022 Java, SAP S/4HANA 2023 Java, SAP S/4HANA 2025 Java. So nowadays is possible. Now we check about kernels. So first of all here, so one thing we want to know, first of all here, one thing we want to know. So what are the databases is supported? So what are the databases is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA Java? 3 databases is supported. One is SAP MatchDB, and another one is SAP ASC, and another one is SAP Hana. For installing SAP S/4HANA server system, only Hana database is supported. But for installing SAP S/4HANA Java, SAP MatchDB database is supported, SAP ASC database is supported, SAP Hana database is supported. SAP MatchDB database is possible to install in Windows, Linux OS also, like that SAP ASC also. Now, SAP S/4HANA Java 2021 kernel release. SAP kernel 753 64-bit Unicode, SAP kernel 754 64-bit Unicode. SAP kernel 753 754. These 2 kernel versions is supported for installing SAP S/4HANA Java 2021. Also same kernel version. I think 2023 also same kernel versions. Okay, same kernel version 2022. Also same kernel version. Twenty 2025 only 754 only 2025. So SAP S/4HANA server, SAP S/4HANA server kernel version is different. SAP S/4HANA Java kernel version is support different. Okay, finally, here we saw here SAP S/4HANA 2025. We got SAP S/4HANA Java 2025. So SAP S/4HANA Java 2025 only. So, an important point, SAP S/4HANA Java software is not supported for developing business. SAP S/4HANA Java system is not supported for developing business. SAP S/4HANA server system only supported for developing business. That means in ABAP based SAP system only is possible to develop business. In Java based SAP system, it is not possible to develop business. Slowly, what they're doing means SAP, slowly they're trying to remove Java system. So in future, they maintain only ABAP based SAP system only. In future, in SAP, they are planning like that. So we got it clearly. SAP S/4HANA Java also is available in company compulsory. They use based on the requirement. They use SAP S/4HANA server system or they use SAP S/4HANA Java system also in company. So for installing Java system, they have three types of database software is available. So SAP MaxDB is the database software name. SAP AC is the database software name. So three databases is available for installing SAP S/4HANA Java. And Unicode kernel version only supported for installing SAP S/4HANA Java. So this is about total SAP S/4HANA releases, SAP S/4HANA introduction. Who are learning SAP basis course? Every student. Compulsory, they want to know this knowledge. This is the minimum knowledge about software. When we learn this knowledge, they handle that software easily. They handle that software easily. This is the minimum knowledge about the software. So compulsory, who are learning SAP basis course, this is the basic knowledge. They don't ask any interview question on this topic, but this knowledge is required for learning the SAP basis course. Okay, now today class is SAP ERP introduction, like releases everything. SAP ERP introduction. So it is product is SAP ERP enhanced package. Now we are discussing about software SAP ERP enhanced package. It is one of the SAP software. So SAP ERP enhanced package is one of the SAP software. Now we are discussing about that one. So it is also enterprise management software only. Now we are discussing about SAP ERP enhanced package. It is the software name. It is one of the product. One of product means software. It is one of the software. Name is SAP ERP enhanced package. It is also enterprise management software only, like S/4HANA. Like S/4HANA, SAP ERP enhanced package also enterprise management software only. Now, first version. When they release, what is the first version? EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. By this name, they release SAP ERP enhanced package version. This is the first version. By this name, they release. Name is EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0. That is the first version. When they release in 2006, it is released 2025. So 2006 it is released 2025. Okay, in which year it is released? In 2006 it is released. Last year and it is completed. 2006 to 2025. Nowadays, it is not possible to use this product version. This product version is completed. So period is 2006 to 2025. Next, they release enhancement package 2. So EHP1 for SAP ERP 6.0 full form is SAP enhancement package 1 for SAP ERP 6.0. That is the full form. Next, they release like EHP2, EHP3 like that. Just they're releasing enhancement package 2, 3 like that they release. EHP2 for SAP ERP 6.0. In which year it is released? In 2007, 2025, last year end only. This one also is not available nowadays. Next, which product version they release? EHP3. EHP3 for SAP ERP 6.0. 2008, 2025. EHP3 for SAP ERP 6.0. 2008, 2025. Next, EHP4 for SAP ERP 6.0, 2009, 2025. EHP4 for SAP ERP 6.0, 2009, 2025. Next, EHP5. EHP5 for SAP ERP 6.0. Next version is 2011, 2025. EHP5 for SAP ERP 6.0, 2011, 2025. Next, EHP6 for SAP ERP 6.0. EHP6 for SAP ERP 6.0. EHP6 for SAP ERP 6.0. In which year it is released? 2012, 2027, extended maintenance 2030. 2012, 2027, 2030. Nowadays, now this product version is available for installing and using purpose. So we want to develop business in this product version means it is available. We use this product version and develop business because here mainstream maintenance date is not completed. That's why this product version is available for developing business. So extended maintenance also 2030 is there. Next, previous product version. Previous product version is EHP7 for SAP ERP 6.0. Same 2013, 2027, 2030. So EHP7 for SAP ERP 6.0, 2013, 2027, 2030. So this product version is also available for developing business because mainstream maintenance date is not completed. That means this product version is available for developing business. EHP7 for SAP ERP 6.0. Now latest and final version. Last version in SAP ERP enhanced package and latest version, that is last and final version. That is EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0. This is the last version only. In 2016 it is released, 2027, 2030. EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0. In 2016 it is released, 2027, 2030. So in this 5 versions is dead. These 5 versions dead. So here only these 3 versions only is available in SAP ERP enhanced package. In SAP ERP enhanced package product, only 3 versions is available. One is, you call like this also, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6, we call like this also. Or EHP6 for SAP ERP 6.0, we call like this also. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8, like this we call also. Now only these 3 product versions only is available in SAP ERP enhanced package. Remaining all product versions is SPAC. And here I told this is the last and final version means why means after 2030 year is completed, there is no SAP ERP enhanced package software in the company server or in the market also. Why means SAP they stop this product. They stop this product. In future means after 20 when we enter into the 2031 onwards, on that year onwards, there is no SAP ERP enhanced package product in company server. They don't use. They are going to stop this one. Here, SAP S/4HANA and SAP ERP enhanced package. These two products only, enterprise management software. Enterprise management software. These two softwares only, enterprise management software. Here, we want to know one thing. Last SAP ERP enhanced package is last release on 2016. SAP S/4HANA first product version is released on 2016 only. So that means what here I'm telling means this SAP ERP enhanced package latest name is SAP S/4HANA. So that means here SAP ECC system previously we called as SAP ECC system. So nowadays we called as SAP S/4HANA server system. They changed the name. So previously SAP ECC system, nowadays we called as SAP S/4HANA server system. That means SAP ECC system and SAP S/4HANA server system both are same only. So SAP ERP, this one only, this products only, SAP ERP enhanced package. This product only SAP S/4HANA product. So this is latest name. This is the previous name. Here already we know. We have two types of SAP systems. ASAP based SAP system and AS Java based SAP system. So in olden days, up to 2018 year, SAP ERP supported for installing Java system. There is an option, but nowadays here we saw SAP EHP for SAP ERP 6.0 ABAP is there. There is no Java option. There is no like this EHP for SAP ERP 6.0 Java like that. There is no option. So nowadays, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP is supported for installing ABAP system only. Here, by using SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 6, EHP 7, and EHP 8, we are installing SAP ECC system. We are not installing SAP ERP 6.0 EHP. By using SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6 or EHP 7 and EHP 8, we are installing ECC system. SAP ECC is the ABAP based SAP system. SAP ECC is ABAP based SAP system. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system. SAP ECC is the ABAP based SAP system. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system. Like SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system. SAP S/4HANA server is one of the SAP system. Like that, SAP ECC also SAP system only, ABAP based SAP system only. That means nowadays in company server or in our personal laptops, we want it is possible to install SAP ECC system only. In company, anyone told that is SAP ECC system is on that time you want to understand, okay, by using SAP ERP enhanced package, we install that SAP ECC system. It is ABAP based SAP system. Like that, we want to know. And here, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6 release is 731. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7 release is 740. SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 8 release is 750. These are the releases. So in this training, we install this one. I show release. We saw clearly. We got it clearly. Now here, already we know two types of kernel software is there: Unicode kernel and a non-Unicode kernel is there. Two types of kernel software is there. Unicode kernel software is there. Non-Unicode kernel software is there. So non-Unicode kernel software, NUC non-Unicode kernel software is supported up to 740 and lower releases. 740 release and lower release. Non-Unicode kernel software is supported up to 740 and lower releases. But here we see this is only 750 release. For this version, it supported only Unicode kernel only. But these two versions is supported non-Unicode kernel software and Unicode kernel software. Okay, now we see SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 6. It is 731 release. Which kernel is supported? Now we see. Nowadays, by using SAP ERP enhanced package in company, they are installing only ECC system only. So it is ABAP based SAP system. By using SAP ERP enhanced package, it is possible to install ECC system. For that purpose only, we use SAP ERP enhanced package. It is enterprise management software only. And another important point, all databases is supported for installing this SAP ERP enhanced package. So whatever three versions is there, for these three versions, we want to install means we want to install any version means all databases is supported. There is no rule. Only HANA database is supported, like that. There is no rule. All databases is supported. Only this kernel, this one only is supporting. They removed non-Unicode. Finally, they showing Unicode only, Unicode kernel only. So SAP kernel 722 EXT 64-bit Unicode. Only this kernel version only is supported. SAP kernel. Why means I already told SAP they strictly they telling don't use non-Unicode kernel software, but non-Unicode kernel software also is supported. Okay. Now we see about SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7. It is 740 release. For this one also non-in-code kernel is supported. But they remove non-in-code kernel software. I think nowadays they don't use non-in-code kernel software. Totally, I think they removed. Okay, here is the. Here we saw SAP kernel 753 64-bit non-in-code, this one. SAP kernel 753 64-bit. That means that is non-in-code kernel. So this is Unicode. Seven fifty four. This kernel versions is supported. SAP kernel 753 64-bit non-Unicode, SAP kernel 753 64-bit Unicode, SAP kernel 754 64-bit non-Unicode, SAP kernel 754 64-bit Unicode. This kernel versions is supported. Now we see SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 8. It is 750 release. So SAP ERP 6.0 EHP is 750 release. So that means only Unicode kernel software only is supported. Now we see which kernel versions is supported for SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 8. Seven 754, 64-bit Unicode. This version and this version. So we got it clearly what are the kernel versions is supported. Suppose I'm installing SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7 means non-Unicode kernel software is supported, but I don't use non-Unicode kernel software. I use Unicode kernel software only. Nowadays, we don't use non-Unicode kernel software. We use Unicode kernel software only. Okay, another important point. I came back here. Here we saw in EHP for SAP ERP 6.0, there is a central applications, SAP ECC server and SAP NetWeaver 7.5 also is available. That means it is big system. EHP for SAP ERP 6.0 is there. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is there. SAP ERP 6.0 also is there. It is big system. So we want to practice SAP basis means minimum 8 GB RAM required and 1 TB hard disk is required. We want to practice SAP basis course, but better don't, mostly it is big system. It is big system. It will take more time for installing like that. Because here 3 systems is there. EHP for SAP ERP 6.0 is there. SAP ERP 6.0 is there. And SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is there. Three softwares is there. That's why it is the big system. So nowadays, in olden days, by using SAP ERP enhanced package, on that time in olden days, they installed Java system also. I show here. This one. Install an SAP XSS 6.06 system. SAP XSS means SAP XSS full form is SAP Employee and Manager Self-Services. SAP XSS means SAP Employee and Manager Self-Services. It is Java-based SAP system. It is Java-based SAP system. SAP XSS. Here we saw in golden days, when in 2018 this book, in golden days, they're telling clearly, we want to install SAP XSS system. 6.06 means by using SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6. In golden days, it's possible to install SAP XSS system. So they use Business Suite 2011. But now, so after that, another book I would show, old book, same book only, EN10, now EN15. Now here we don't get that option. So this book also, in 2018, starting book. This one also in 2018, end. So in 2018, in mid of the 2018, up to mid of the 2018, we use SAP ERP and install SAP XSS system. So after completing 2018, end of 2018 onwards, they stop to install Java system by using SAP ERP enhanced package. So nowadays in company server or in our personal laptop, it is possible to install SAP ECC system only. It is ABAP based SAP system. By using SAP ERP enhanced package, we want to install SAP ECC system. It is enterprise management software. Nowadays in company server or in personal laptop, they don't use SAP ERP enhanced package for installing Java based SAP system. So only 3 versions only is available. Nowadays, only 3 versions only is available in SAP ERP enhanced package. After 2030 is completed, there is no SAP ERP enhanced software. So non-Unicode kernel software is supported, Unicode kernel software is supported based on release. So it is enterprise management software. We want to practice SAP basis course means in this software it is possible, but it is big system. So it will take more time. Task we want to complete, any program we want to complete means it will take more time. So here we have option Java. Here we have SAP ERP Java option is there, but here they removed. Here they removed. So that's why nowadays they don't use SAP ERP enhancement package software for installing Java system. So it is enterprise management software. And another important point here also, here is there or not, I don't know. I show, try. Here, this ID, they don't have option, but they show here ideas like that. They show here ideas. So here they don't have that option, but we have ideas software, non-ideas software. Here you saw for EHP7 is there, ideas. Okay, they are not showing. IDS means I already told yesterday class. So it is enterprise management software. That means SAP ERP also is supported for installing SAP ERP enhanced package. SAP ERP enhanced package also is supported for installing IDS and non-IDS. So in SAP ERP enhanced package also, IDS software is there, non-IDS software is there. Two types of software is there, IDS software and non-IDS software. So because it is enterprise management software, yesterday I told only SAP S/4HANA server and SAP ECC system, these two only enterprise management software. So only SAP S/4HANA software and SAP ERP enhanced package only. These two only enterprise management software. That means by these two products only have IDS software and non-IDS softwares. Remaining products, they don't have IDS software and non-IDS software. So now SAP ERP introduction is completed. So after SAP ERP introduction is completed, we go to another introduction. Now another software is SAP NetWeaver, another product, another software is SAP NetWeaver. So software name, SAP NetWeaver is the name of the product. SAP NetWeaver is the name of the product. It is the software name. SAP NetWeaver means software name. But it is not enterprise management software. It is the technology platform software. It is technology platform software. SAP NetWeaver product software name is SAP NetWeaver. It is the technology platform software, not enterprise management software. Enterprise management means, so it is by using enterprise management software means business management software. Technology platform is it is platform. So on that platform, what you want, you build your laptop. Your laptop, you install operating system. You buy new laptop, you install operating system. Now your laptop is one of the platform. On your laptop, what you want? For what purpose you buy laptop? So on that laptop, for example, I want to learn Photoshop. I want to edit photos and design photos and I want to earn money on that too. That is my work. So for that purpose, I buy laptop. So on that laptop, I install Photoshop software and I'm doing that one. So that is the laptop is technology platform. On that platform, I install my software Photoshop and doing my part. Like that here also SAP NetWeaver also technology platform. On that SAP NetWeaver, what you require on that platform, what you require, you install that one and develop that soft system for business purpose. Like that. Platform is one empty land is there. That is platform. On that platform, you build hotel or you build a shopping mall, anything. For that is for your money purpose. What you are doing, you are building hotel for your money purpose or building apartment. Like that, your wish. Like that, here also, NetWeaver is technology platform. On that NetWeaver, what you require, you build that one and develop business. So in NetWeaver 04. This is the first version. By this name, they release SAP NetWeaver 04 or we called as SAP NetWeaver 2004 also. In which year it is released? In 2005, 2010 is completed. Nowadays, that product version is not there. After SAP NetWeaver 7.0. After the release, SAP NetWeaver 7.0. In which year? In 2006. 2006. So 2017 is completed. So 2017 is completed. Next, SAP EHP1 for SAP NetWeaver 7.0. SAP EHP1 for SAP NetWeaver 7.0. In 2009, it is released. 2017 is completed. That version also is not there. SAP NetWeaver 7.0 EHP2. SAP EHP2 for SAP NetWeaver 7.0. In 2010, it is released. 2017 is completed. After the release, SAP NetWeaver 7.3. In 2011, it is released. 2020 is completed. After the release, SAP NetWeaver 7.0 EHP3. In 2012, 2017 is completed. After the release, SAP EHP1 for SAP NetWeaver 7.3. In 2012, 2020 is completed. Now, previous version. Previous version is SAP NetWeaver 7.4 is the previous version. 2013, 2020 is completed. Latest and last and final version. In SAP NetWeaver product, this is the latest, last and final product. Only this version only is available. So 2015 release, 2027, 2030. SAP NetWeaver 7.5, only this product version only is available. In 2015, 2027, 2030 is the extended maintenance period. So when we enter into the 2031 year, on that year onwards, there is no SAP NetWeaver product in SAP side. Totally, they are planning to remove SAP NetWeaver product. So SAP NetWeaver product is available up to 2030 only. In SAP NetWeaver software, only one version is there, that is SAP NetWeaver 7.5 only. That version is available until 2030 only. After 2030 is completed, there is no SAP NetWeaver software in the market. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. In name only they're telling 7.5. 7.5 means 750 release. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 release is 750 release. So that means Unicode kernel software only is supported, like SAP ERP, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP is there, no? Same, these kernel versions only supported for installing SAP NetWeaver 7.5. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP system. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java system. Okay, 753, 754 kernel versions only supported. So here we saw it is small system. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 means only application server ABAP system only. It is small system. So it is possible to practice entire SAP basis course. Required minimum 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk. So better to practice entire SAP basis course in SAP NetWeaver 7.5 because it is small system. That's why better to practice in this software. And SAP NetWeaver 7.5, SAP NetWeaver 7.5. So NetWeaver in shortcut called as NW. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is supported to install ASAP and SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is supported to install AS Java also, nowadays also. Here we have option also. Here we saw SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Application Server ABAP. ACE full form is Application Server ABAP, Application Server Java. Here we saw SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP system. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java system. So by use in company, compulsory in company, what they do is they use SAP NetWeaver. They are maintaining SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP system, and also they maintain SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java system in company server. Compulsory. So here SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP system. SAP Enterprise Portal System. SAP Enterprise Portal System is Java-based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 only, we install SAP Enterprise Portal System. Here we saw. Patch the SAP Enterprise Portal System. Here we saw. Install an SAP Enterprise Portal System 7.4 means SAP NetWeaver 7.4. On the time NetWeaver 7.4 is there. Nowadays there is no 7.4, no. That's why nowadays we want to install SAP NetWeaver 7. We use SAP NetWeaver 7.5 and install SAP Enterprise Portal System. It is Java-based SAP system. And process integration also. Here we saw MWD. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 only, we install track system and business warehouse system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install SAP Trex system. SAP Trex is ABAP-based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install SAP BW system. BW means business warehouse. SAP BW is ABAP-based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install SAP EP system. EP means Enterprise Portal System. SAP EP is Java-based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install SAP PI system. PI means process integration. SAP PI is Java-based SAP system. Here we saw it is ABAP, Trex is there, business warehouse is there. Suppose here I select Java. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java. Here we saw Enterprise Portal means we want to select this two. Enterprise Portal. Process integration means here is there. So in company they told that is Enterprise Portal System. On that time you want to understand, okay, it is Java-based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install that SAP Enterprise Portal System. In company they told it is SAP Process Integration System. On that time we want to understand. By using NetWeaver 7.5 only, we install that SAP Process Integration. It is Java-based SAP system. So in company they told it is SAP Business Warehouse System, SAP BW system. On that time we want to understand, okay, by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 only, we install that SAP BW system. It is ABAP based SAP system. Like that we want to understand. Only nowadays, only one product version only is available up to 2030. This product version only is available in SAP NetWeaver. They don't release any new product version up to 2030. Up to 2030, they don't release any new product version in SAP NetWeaver product. So only SAP NetWeaver 7.5 only they use available. After 2030 is completed, there is no SAP NetWeaver product in the market. They don't use SAP NetWeaver product in company servers in companies. So SAP NetWeaver product is technology platform. It is supported for ABAP system and it is also supported for Java system. So by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, it is possible to install ABAP-based SAP system and it is also possible to install Java-based SAP system by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5. It is technology platform. So it is 750 release. Only Unicode kernel software only is supported for installing. Okay. Next. That product version is completed. Next product version. SAP Solution Manager 7.2. SAP Solution Manager 7.2. Product. Sorry, not SAP Solution Manager. SAP Solution Manager is the name of the product. SAP Solution Manager is the name of the software. SAP Solution Manager also technology platform. SAP Solution Manager also technology platform. So in SAP Solution Manager, only one version only is available nowadays, that is called as SAP Solution Manager 7.2. In SAP Solution Manager, previously SAP Solution Manager 3.2 is there, 2005 to 2009. It is nowadays, it is not available, this version. SAP Solution Manager 7.0 is there. I use this version when I'm learning time, 2006 to 2013. SAP Solution Manager 7.0 EHP1. This version also I use. 2008 to 2013. SAP Solution Manager 7.1. I use this one. This is very, very important product version on that days. So in that period, in 2011 to in 2017, SAP Solution Manager 7.1 is very, very important product version. Nowadays, it is not there. So finally, latest and last version in this also I'm telling latest and last version I'm telling. So SAP Solution Manager 7.2 only. This is the last version and final version in SAP Solution Manager. So in 2016 it is released, 2027, 2030. 2016 it is released, 2027, 2020, 2030. So after 2030 is completed, in company servers, they don't use SAP Solution Manager 7.2 version. So in market also, SAP Solution Manager software is not available after 2030 is completed. So they are removing this product, SAP Solution Manager. Means after 2030 year is completed, there is no SAP Solution Manager software in the market. There is no SAP NetWeaver software in the market. There is no SAP ERP Enhanced Package software in the market. And SAP Solution Manager. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 is supported for installing ABAP system and Java system. Okay, it is technology platform, and here we saw. SAP Solution Manager 7.2, SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP, SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java is there. So SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP system, SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java system. So we want to install SAP Solution Manager 7.2 means all databases is supported. For SAP NetWeaver also all databases is supported. In SAP Solution Manager only one version is there. In company compulsory they use SAP Solution Manager 7.2. So SAP Solution Manager 7.2. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP is 740 release. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java is 750 release. Now SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP is 740. No, now we check which kernel version is supported. Here we saw in SAP Solution Manager 7.2, here NetWeaver 7.4 also. SAP NetWeaver 7.4 is 740 release. Here we saw non-Unicode, Unicode kernel also is supported, 753, 754. Why means it is 740 release? Like SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7, like that here also, SAP Solution Manager 7.2, same kernel versions. SAP kernel 753 64-bit, SAP kernel 753 64-bit non-Unicode, Unicode, SAP kernel 754 64-bit non-Unicode, Unicode. Now we see SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java, which kernel versions is supported. Now we see. Here we saw SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java, SAP NetWeaver 7.5. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 means 750 release. Okay, it is 750 release. That's why Unicode kernel only is supported. Okay, SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java is 750 release. That's why only Unicode kernel only is supported, 750, 754 release. But SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP is 740 release. That's why non-Unicode, Unicode kernel is supported. So it is the technology platform. Only this product version only is available. Remaining all product versions is expired. So this product version also is validity up to 2030 only. And it is technology platform. In company compulsory, they use SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP and SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java also. Finally, one product is there. Finally, one product is there. Okay. So NetWeaver NW means NetWeaver ASAP Innovation Package. Software name. Software name is NetWeaver ASAP Innovation Package. This is the software name. So it is also technology platform. It is also technology platform. So technology platform. Actually, in this product, they release only two versions. One is NetWeaver is above 7.51 and another one is NetWeaver is above 7.52. Only these two versions only they release in that product. This version is SPET. Nowadays, only this version only is available. It is 752 release. In name only they telling 752. In name only they telling 752 release. In full form, it is called as SAP NetWeaver Application Server for ABAP 7.52. SAP NetWeaver Application Server for ABAP 7.52. That is the full form. Or in shortcut, we call like this. NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. NW AS ABAP 7.52. In shortcut, we call like this. So it is 752 release and it is technology platform. Nowadays, only this version only is available in NetWeaver AS ABAP Innovation Package. And it is supported for installing ABAP system only. Name only they telling NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. Here is there. SAP NetWeaver is for ABAP 7.52. SAP NetWeaver is for ABAP 7.51. But this product version is SPEC. Only this version only is available nowadays. So it is supported for installing ABAP system only. All databases is supported for installing. SAP Solution Manager, NetWeaver, SAP Solution Manager 7.2, SAP NetWeaver 7.5, NetWeaver ASAP 7.52, and SAP ERP Enhanced Package Releases. All databases is supported for installing. So NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 is supported for installing only ABAP system only. In name only they told NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 ASAP system 752 release. 752 release means only Unicode kernel only. These two kernels only supported. This two kernel version only supported. NetWeaver ASAP 7.51 innovation package. NetWeaver ASAP 7.52. NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 application server ABAP. 753, 754 Unicode kernel only supported. Kernel 64-bit Unicode 753. Kernel 64-bit Unicode 754 only supported for installing NetWeaver ASAP 7.52. It is the technology platform. Technology platform. So after 2030 is completed, that means after 2030 is completed, only SAP S/4HANA product only is available. Remaining all products is dead. After 2030 is completed. So this one also, here we saw 2017, 2027, 2013. 2017 it is released. 2027, 2030. After 2030 is completed, there is no SAP ERP enhanced package product. There is no SAP NetWeaver product. There is no SAP Solution Manager product. There is no NetWeaver ASAP Innovation Package product. So clearly they're telling after 2030 is completed, they are removing all the SAP products. They are maintaining only SAP S/4HANA product only after 2030. Remaining all products they are removing. They are going to delete all the products. So here we covered about SAP ERP introduction, SAP NetWeaver introduction, SAP Solution Manager introduction, and NetWeaver ASAP Innovation Package introduction. So compulsory who are learning SAP basis course, compulsory they want to know the minimum knowledge of the products and their versions. Which kernel version is supported? What are the versions is available? Which kernel version is supported? So it is supported in Windows operating system or Linux. Which databases is supported? Like that we are knowing. So here MS SQL Server database, we want to use MS SQL Server database means only in Windows OS only it is supported. We want to use HANA database means only in HANA Linux OS only it is supported. Why means MS SQL Server database software is available only in Windows OS only. HANA database software is available only in Linux OS only. So releases topic is completed. So in that lesson only, in that unit, in lesson 1, SAP Business Suite is the topic. SAP Business Suite. Compulsory who are learning SAP basis course, compulsory every student they want to know about SAP Business Suite. What is SAP Business Suite? First of all, SAP Business Suite is tool. It is tool. Tool means in our language it is called as software. Means SAP Business Suite is software. It is tool. So here, this is the image we are knowing now. So we are learning about this image now. So in this image, this one. So clearly here what they're telling, SAP Business Suite consists of several SAP applications. So inside SAP Business Suite, SAP ERP is there. Means when you open SAP Business Suite, inside SAP Business Suite, SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. In shortcuts, we called as SAP ERP. So we called as SAP ERP or we called as SAP Enterprise Resource Planning. SAP Customer Relationship Management. In shortcut, we called as SAP CRM. SAP Supply Chain Management. In shortcut, we called as SAP SM. SAP Supplier Relationship Management. In shortcut, we called as SAP SRM. SAP Product life cycle management. In shortcut, we called as SAP PLM. So what they're telling, when you open SAP Business Suite, inside SAP Business Suite, SAP ERP is available, SAP CRM is available, SAP SM is available, SAP SRM is available, SAP PLM is there. So here in this image, SAP, so by seeing this image, you got it clearly. They put heading. What they put heading? SAP Business Suite. What they're telling? Inside SAP Business Suite, SAP ERP is there, SAP Enterprise Resource Planning, SAP CRM is there, SAP Customer Relationship Management, SAP SM is there, SAP Supply Chain Management, SAP SRM is there, SAP Supplier Relationship Management, SAP PLM is there, SAP Product Lifecycle Management. But here they put bracket for PLM. That means they're telling doubt. It is available or not. They're telling doubtly it is available or not. Like that they're telling. So what is available inside SAP Business Suite? We called as applications or solutions. So what is available inside SAP Business Suite? We called as SAP applications, or we called as SAP solutions. SAP ERP also product, SAP CRM also product, means software, SAP SM also software. But we did not call like that. We called as SAP applications or SAP solutions only. That means here is there. SAP ERP, SAP ERP is an application in SAP Business Suite. That means they're telling in SAP Business Suite, SAP ERP is application. In SAP Business Suite, SAP ERP is application. Like that, not only ERP, SAP CRM also. SAP SM also. SAP SRM also. In these four applications, SAP ERP is the big application. In these four SAP applications, SAP ERP is the big application. And another important point, all databases is supported. All databases is supported for installing SAP applications. So there is no rule SAP ERP application is supported particular database like that. There is no rule. Here we saw here SAP Business Suite 7i 2016 is there. When I expand inside SAP Business Suite, SAP CRM is there, SAP ERP is there, SAP SM is there, SAP SRM is there. So that one only they telling inside SAP Business Suite, whatever available here, we called as SAP applications or SAP solutions. In that SAP ERP is the big application. Here clearly you're knowing what is available inside SAP Business Suite. So what we called. So which one is the big? Like that you are knowing. And when I expand, here DB2 database is there, MaxDB database is there, MS SQL Server, Oracle, Hana, SAP AC. All databases is supported for installing SAP applications. What are the databases is there? DB2, SAP AC, SAP MaxDB, SAP Hana, Oracle, MS SQL Server, and SAP Hana. So these are the databases is available. These are the databases is available. There is no rule. All databases is supported for installing. There is no rule particular for installing SAP ERP application. Only Oracle database is supported. For installing SCM application, only MS SQL Server database is supported. Like that, there is no rule. All databases is supported for installing SAP applications. So that is about SAP Business Suite. Inside SAP Business Suite, here clearly you are knowing what is SAP? Why we are learning SAP Business Suite means in company server or in your personal laptops, we want to install SAP applications means compulsory we use SAP Business Suite tool only. By using SAP Business Suite tool only, we want to install the SAP applications. So in company server or in our personal laptop, we want to install SAP applications means compulsory we use SAP Business Suite tool only. In interview, they ask, tell me the name of the SAP applications. Remember, these four only SAP applications. In company server, I want to install SAP CRM means I want to use SAP Business Suite tool only. So that's why remember. So that is about. Now we want to learn about SAP systems. This side is completed. Now we want to learn about this image. So in this image, first of all, about here. First of all, about there, we want to learn. So that is one box. So they're telling clearly SAP ERP, SAP ECC, SAP XSS. Now we are learning about SAP systems. So we got it about SAP applications. We got it about SAP Business Suite. Now we want to learn about SAP systems. So in that, SAP ERP central component. SAP ERP central component in shortcut we called as SAP ECC. We called as SAP systems or components, but mostly so many they called frankly SAP systems only. And SAP employee and manager self-services. In shortcut called as SAP XSS. SAP employee and manager self-services in shortcut called as SAP XSS. Now, first of all, we want to know about these two SAP systems. First of all, we want to know about the two SAP system. So SAP ECC, SAP system is ABAP based SAP system. By using SAP ERP application, we install SAP ECC system. By using SAP ERP application only, we install SAP ECC system. Okay, here, install an ABAP system. We select install an ABAP system. Okay, here we select SAP ERP. On the time, it is ECC system. So ABAP and select SAP ERP and we install, we get SAP ECC system. By using SAP ERP application, we are installing SAP ECC system. SAP ECC is ABAP-based SAP system. Now, SAP XSS, SAP Employee and Manager Self-Services is Java-based SAP system. By using SAP ERP application, we install SAP XSS system. By using SAP ERP application only, we install SAP XSS system. But here I should select Java. Now select Java. So here we select SAP ERP, we install ECC system. But nowadays, SAP ERP application is not supported for installing SAP XSS system. Here we saw, when we open SAP Business Suite, here EHP for SAP ERP 6.0 ABAP is there. But there is no option like EHP for SAP ERP 6.0 Java option is not there. That means nowadays SAP ERP application is not supported for installing SAP XSS. Up to 2018 year. Up to 2018 year, SAP ERP application is used for installing SAP XSS system. Nowadays, it is not possible to install SAP XSS system by using SAP ERP application. Okay, next, which system? SAP EP, Enterprise Portal. SAP EP. SAP Enterprise Portal. In shortcut, we called as SAP EP. So SAP Enterprise Portal, in shortcut, we called as SAP EP. SAP EP is Java-based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install SAP EP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install SAP EP system. It is Java-based SAP system. Here we saw. Now here we select SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Here we saw EP Core Enterprise Portal. When we installing SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java, when we installing SAP NetWeaver 7.5, installation time, we select application server Java, we get that SAP, we install SAP Enterprise Portal system. Like that, SAP process integration also. SAP process integration also we called as SAP PI. SAP PI. It is also Java-based SAP system. Java-based SAP system by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 only. NetWeaver 7.5. We install SAP PI system. We install SAP PI system. So here is there. Here, SAP PI, process integration. Now, another system, SAP Business Warehouse. We called as SAP BW. SAP BW is ABAP-based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install SAP BW system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install SAP BW system. It is ABAP-based SAP system. For example, here in my system, system status, here we saw SAP BW, SAP Business Warehouse. It is ABAP-based SAP system. So my product is NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. NetWeaver AS ABAP. It is available in NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52 and it is available in SAP NetWeaver 7.5 also. So by using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 and NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52, we install that SAP BW system. Now another system is SAP Trex. SAP Trex also here NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP, NetWeaver 7.5. Here we saw Trex. So Trex is SAP Trex is ABAP based SAP system. ABAP based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5, we install SAP Trex system. We check only NetWeaver 7.5 or NetWeaver AS ABAP also is supported. We check. No, only NetWeaver 7.5 only. So here we are learning what are the SAP systems. So SAP ECC, SAP BW, SAP EP, SAP PI, SAP XSS, Trex. So these are the SAP systems is there. So you are learning by which product version we install SAP ECC system, by using which product version we install SAP BW system. So which product version we install SAP EP system, which product version we install SAP PI system, which product version we install SAP XSS system, which product version we use and install SAP Trex system. We learn that information. So in these SAP systems, SAP ECC is the big SAP system. In this SAP system, SAP ECC is the big SAP system. SAP ERP is the big application. All databases is supported for installing these SAP systems. So here we completed about SAP Business Suite, SAP applications, SAP systems topic is completed. So here we learn about what is about SAP Business Suite, why we are learning, when we use SAP Business Suite, what is available inside SAP Business Suite. And we learn what is SAP applications, what are SAP applications, in the SAP applications, which one is the big SAP application. And we learn about what are SAP systems and how we install those SAP systems and which one is the big SAP system. We learn that one. So that topic is completed. Now we go to another topic in that lesson. Now we go to another topic. Topic name is SAP Business Suite for Hana, or we called as SAP Business Suite for SAP S/4HANA. For example, clearly here only is there. What? Okay, first of all, we see this image. First of all, we want to know about this SAP front-end server. SAP front-end server. So first of all, we want to know about that front-end server. Front-end server. So in this front-end server, which product we use? NetWeaver is above 7.52. Okay, which database? SAP MaxDB or SAP ASC or SAP Hana. These are the databases we use for installing this front-end server. So these are the databases is available for installing those. Okay, this system is called as front-end server. So in company, what we install, for example, here I install NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 only. In this system, I install system status. Here we saw it is product is NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 only. NetWeaver ASAP 7.52. This product version only we installed in that system. So three databases is available: SAP MaxDB or SAP AAC database or SAP HANA database. We use any database, your wish. In company, they use any database in that three databases. So this system is called as front-end server, but in this system, they don't develop any business. So now we got it about SAP front-end server. Now, what is SAP S/4HANA server? SAP S/4HANA server. Okay, SAP S/4HANA server. SAP S/4HANA server is SAP system. Which product version we use for installing SAP S/4HANA server? For example, I use SAP S/4HANA 2025, SAP S/4HANA 2025. Only one database is available, that is SAP HANA DB only. So I use SAP S/4HANA 2025. Only one database is available, that is HANA DB only. Okay, this system is called as SAP S/4HANA server. How we install SAP S/4HANA server? By using SAP S/4HANA 2021 or 2022 or 2023, 2025. By using HANA database, we install SAP S/4HANA server. Okay, now in company, two types of modules is there. Functional modules. Functional modules means FI, FICO, financial controlling, SD, MM, PP, QM, like that. Technical modules are basis, security, like that technical models is there. Now, these functional models is there, no? These functional models have no rights directly to access to this SAP S/4HANA server. In company, only SAP basis administrator and ABAP developer only directly access here. Only basis administrator and ABAP developer only directly access to SAP S/4HANA server system. When SAP basis administrator login into the SAP S/4HANA server system, is there any problem? Is in company server, there is a SAP logon. They open SAP logon. In SAP, by using SAP logon, basis administrator or ABAP developer directly access to the SAP S/4HANA server. But these functional models is there, no? These functional models. For example, this person, SD, FICO, MM, like that, PP, like that. These are functional users, one by one. These functional users have no rights to directly access to the SAP S/4HANA server. That means in company, they don't give permission to directly access to the SAP S/4HANA server. They give permission, they give access to the SAP front-end server. So they log into the SAP front-end server. In SAP front-end server, same SAP, this SAP login is available, SAP GUI. This SAP login is available or Fury apps is available. So they use SAP login or Fury apps by using front-end server. In front-end server, Fury apps is there, SAP login is there. They open by using SAP login or Fury apps, they connect to the SAP S/4HANA server. Like that only functional users connect to the SAP S/4HANA server. So clearly what they're telling in this image means that functional users have no access, directly have no access to the SAP S/4HANA server. So in compulsory in company for SAP S/4HANA server, front-end server also is available. So you are knowing here what is the use of front-end server in company. Why we use front-end server means for this purpose only. Functional users want to connect to the SAP S/4HANA server by using SAP front-end server only. For that purpose, in company, they build SAP front-end server by using NetWeaver ASAP 7.52, and in these three databases, they use and build SAP front-end server. In this SAP front-end server, they don't develop any business. Just what is the use of this SAP front-end server means functional users connect to the SAP front-end server. By using front-end server, they connect to the SAP S/4HANA server. For that purpose only, they use that SAP front-end server. Now, this SAP front-end server system and this SAP S/4HANA server system, these two systems is called as SAP Business Suite for SAP HANA or SAP Business Suite for SAP S/4HANA. That's only. So here we saw. I show clearly. So now I'm connecting to SAP front-end server. Now I'm connecting to SAP front-end server. So here I connected to SAP front-end server. This is SAP front-end server. So in this SAP front-end server, SAP logon is there. I double click SAP logon. Now this is SAP S/4HANA server system. Now I connected SAP S/4HANA server. But in this system, they did not install SAP S/4HANA server. SAP S/4HANA server is available in another system. I connected to SAP front-end server. In SAP front-end server, SAP logon is there. I open that SAP logon. By using SAP logon, I connected to the SAP S/4HANA server system. SAP S/4HANA server is not available in this system. So that is installed in another system. So SAP front-end server is another system. SAP S/4HANA server is another system. Both are not same. So Now here I use SAP front-end server for connecting to the SAP S/4HANA server. For that purpose, I use this SAP front-end server. Every time I use that SAP front-end server to connect to the SAP S/4HANA server. Like in company also, that functional users use that SAP S/4HANA server. Sorry, that functional users use that SAP front-end server to connect to the SAP S/4HANA server every time. Why means in company don't provide access to the SAP S/4HANA server. That functional users have no access to the directly have no rights to access to the SAP S/4HANA server. They did not provide credentials to access to the SAP S/4HANA server. They provide credentials to access to the SAP front-end server only. So that is about this topic. So here, when we open this unit 1, in lesson 1 describing SAP system, SAP Business Suite, SAP applications, SAP S/4HANA and SAP systems. This topic is completed. Releases topic also is completed, but one point is pending in releases. I already tell about releases, but one topic is pending in releases. Now, we discuss that topic and complete releases topic also. What is that topic pending? SAP Business Suite releases. Okay, you know, we use SAP Business Suite for installing SAP applications. We know for what purpose we use SAP Business Suite tool. We know SAP Business Suite is a tool. We use SAP Business Suite tool for installing SAP applications. Okay, now what are the versions is available in SAP Business Suite? What are the versions is available? For example, here we saw SAP Business Suite 7i 2016 is the latest one. So, SAP Business Suite 7i 2016 is the latest one. Previous one is SAP Business Suite 7i 2013. Okay, first of all, we want to know about SAP Business Suite 7i 2016. So when I want to use SAP Business Suite 7i 2016, we are learning when we use SAP Business Suite 7i 2016. Expand here. EHP4 for SAP CRM 7.0 ABAP. EHP4 for SAP CRM 7.0 ABAP. Not only CRM, SCM also, SRM also, EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0. EHP8 for SAP ERP 6.0. Now here we saw, here we are not learning about SAP Business Suite versions. We are learning about SAP CRM, SAP SM, SAP SRM releases also. SAP CRM latest version is EHP4 for SAP CRM 7.0. EHP4 for SAP CRM 7.0 and SM, SRM also same versions, latest versions. So in company, we want to install SAP CRM, SM, SRM 7.0 EHP4 or SAP ERP 6.0 EHP. On that time, we use SAP Business Suite 7i 2016. Suppose in company, now 7i 2013, EHP3, 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 EHP7. When we use SAP Business Suite 7i 2013, that is the previous version. SAP Business Suite 7i 2013 is the previous version. SAP CRM 7.0 EHP3 or SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 or SAP SCM SRM 7.0 EHP3. On that time, we use SAP Business Suite 7i 2011. Here we are learning when which SAP Business Suite release we want to use. What are the SAP Business Suite versions is there? When we use that version, when we use SAP Business Suite 7i 2016, when we use SAP Business Suite 7i 2013, we are learning that one. And what is the latest version of SAP CRM, SCM, SRM? What is the previous versions of SAP CRM, SCM, SRM also we are learning here. Okay, next, which SAP Business Suite is there? SAP Business Suite 7i. Next, SAP Business Suite 7i 2011. EHP2, 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 EHP6. Okay, SAP Business Suite 7i 2011. EHP2 for SAP CRM 7.0, EHP6 for SAP ERP 6.0, SCM SRM, EHP2 only. SAP Business Suite 7i 2010 also is there, but these are outdated. These are outdated. That's why we are not using SAP Business Suite 7i 2010 and means out of maintenance. And this one also out of maintenance. That's why we are not using. So presently we are using these three versions only. So nowadays, who want to install freshly? Who want to install fresh system is nowadays these three versions only we use. By means in SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8, sorry, in SAP ERP applications, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6, EHP7, EHP8 only. That three versions only is available. In SAP CRM, SCM, SRM also 7.0 EHP2, EHP3, EHP4 only is there. Nowadays only we use these three versions of SAP Business Suite only. One is SAP Business Suite 7i 2016 and another one is SAP Business Suite 7i 2013 and another one is SAP Business Suite 7i 2011. So that is about SAP Business Suite releases. Okay, releases topic is completed. Now we go to software components. So here, first of all, we learn about software components. So here, first of all, we learn about software components. So software components means here we are discussing about ABAP based SAP system, not Java based SAP system. We are discussing about ABAP based SAP systems only. So here we are discussing about ABAP based SAP systems only. We use any product version. We use any product version and install ABAP based SAP systems means these two software components compulsory we found SAP underscore basis and SAP underscore ABA. So these two software components can be found in every ABAP based SAP system. We found these two software components in every ABAP based SAP system. One is SAP underscore basis and another one is SAP underscore ABA. These two software components we found in every ABAP based SAP system. For example, here we saw. So here, this is NetWeaver ABAP 7.52. System status. This is NetWeaver ABAP 7.52. Here we saw how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 software components is there. Here we saw SAP underscore basis is there, SAP underscore ABA is there. I'm telling this one only. What I'm telling? These two software components we found in every ABAP based SAP systems. So here we saw this is very, very important. Why means SAP underscore basis here release. SAP underscore basis release. What is there means that is your SAP system release. Now this SAP system SAP release is 752. This is SAP ERP 6.0 EHK. Here we saw SAP underscore basis ABA is there, 750 release. How many software components is there? 289 is there. And here SAP underscore APPL. This one. This software component we found only in ECC system only. This software component we found in ECC system only. Here clearly installed software components versions. These are all called as software components. Those versions. So this is 750 release. So SAP underscore APPL software component we found only in ECC system only. So here 280 like that is there. So in every system, we found different software components. In all ABAP based SAP system, we did not found same software components. Okay, here we are logging into the SAP S4HANA server. System status. Okay, here also we saw SAP underscore basis, SAP underscore ABA. SAP underscore basis 816, SAP S4HANA 2025 releases 816. Here we did not found that SAP underscore APPL. Here S4 core is there. S4 core software component is available only in S4HANA server system only. S4 core software component is available only in S4HANA S4HANA server system only. That means I'm telling in ABAP based SAP system, software components is available. So depending on product version, different software components is there. Here we saw only 90 software components. These two software components we found in every ABAP based SAP system. So that is about software component. So on top of operating system, kernel is there. On top of kernel, our SAP software is there. Means software components is there. Now we want to know about kernel. Now we want to learn about SAP kernel. Software component is completed. Now we want to learn about SAP kernel. SAP kernel means software. There are two types of kernel software is there. Unicode kernel software and non-Unicode kernel software. Two types of kernel software is there. Unicode in shortcut we called as UC. Non-Unicode in shortcut we called as NUC. So what is this means? So Unicode system, non-Unicode system. Here we saw system status. Here they're telling Unicode system. Yes, means it is Unicode system. So how? What is that means? So when we use in installing time, when we use Unicode kernel software means it is Unicode system. In installing time, when we use non-Unicode kernel software means it is non-Unicode. So in installing time, they ask the kernel software. In installing time, we want to provide kernel software. Without kernel software, SAP software installation is not possible. After installation also, based on kernel only, we log on. Based on kernel only, we log on to the SAP system. Okay. So that means in installing time, we provide the kernel software. On that time, we provide Unicode kernel software, means it is Unicode system. In installing time, we provide non-Unicode kernel software, means it is non-Unicode kernel system. So that's only difference. Okay, now here we saw SAP kernel 64-bit. Here they did not tell Unicode. That means this is non-Unicode kernel software. We click here. In non-Unicode kernel software, SAP kernel 722 EST 64-bit is there. SAP kernel 722 ES2 64-bit is there. SAP kernel 722 ES3 64-bit is there. When we use this 3 kernel version, we want to install SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 on the time. We are installing SAP ECC system by using SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 means we use that one because that is 731 release. So 754, 753, 754 is there. Like that, Unicode kernel. In Unicode kernel, same. These 3 when we install SAP ECC system by using SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6 on the time. When we installing SAP ERP 6.0 EHP7 or SAP ERP 6.0 EHP8 or SAP NetWeaver 7.5 or SAP Solution Manager 7.2 or a NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 on the time, we use this 2 kernel version. So nowadays we don't use this kernel version. Why means so? We have only SAP S/4HANA Server 2021 or SAP S/4HANA Server 2022 or SAP S/4HANA Server 2023. For that we use SAP kernel 793 64-bit. For installing SAP S/4HANA Server 2025, we use SAP kernels 916 64-bit. So for S/4HANA Unicode kernel only. Mostly nowadays what they're telling SAP means you have non-Unicode kernel software also. Don't use non-Unicode kernel software. We use kernel software only. So these are the versions is available for kernel, for Unicode kernel software. These are the versions is there. When we use SAP kernel 722 EH2 EST64-bit Unicode, or SAP kernel 722 ES2 64-bit Unicode, or SAP kernel 722 ES3 64-bit. When we use this three kernel version means we install SAP ECC system by using SAP ERP 6.0 EHP6. On that time, we use this three kernel. In this three kernel, we use any version. When we use this SAP kernel 753 Unicode, 754 Unicode, when we use these two versions means we want to install SAP NetWeaver 7.5 or SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP or Java, or SAP S4HANA Java, or NetWeaver ACE ABAP 7.52, or SAP ECC 6.0 EHP7 or SAP ECC 6.0 EHP8. On that time, we use these two kernel versions. So this is nowadays we are not using this one. When we use this SAP kernel 793 64-bit Unicode means when we are installing SAP S4HANA server system 2021, 2022 or 2023 on that time. When we use SAP kernel 916 64-bit Unicode means when we are installing SAP S4HANA server 2025 system on that time we use that kernel version. So in installation time, we use this kernel version. After installation also, now here, I logged into the SAP system. So how this software components work? Based on kernel only, this software components will be working. Why means home is there. On earth, pillars is there. On top of pillars, home is there. So here also, like pillars only, here also. On top of operating system, kernel software is there. On top of kernel software, SAP software is there. So when your kernel is not working properly means it is not possible to log on to the SAP system. Kernel is not working properly means it is not possible to log on to the SAP system. That is the meaning. So that is about software components topic. In software components, we are learning about software components and kernel. The topic is completed. Here we saw. This is SAP S4HANA Server 2023 system. This is SAP ERP 6.0 EHP system. I told you no, in ECC only SAP underscore APPL software component is there. In S4HANA, S4 core software component is there. Okay, next topic. SAP systems based on ABAP. Now we are knowing about what are the SAP systems or ABAP based SAP systems. SAP S4HANA Server. SAP S4HANA Server is ABAP based SAP system. It is ABAP based SAP system. SAP S4HANA Server is ABAP based SAP system. How we install? By using SAP S4HANA 2021 or 2022 or 2023 and 2025 and SAP HANA DB only. We use only SAP HANA DB only. No other database is not supported. So SAP S4HANA Server is ABAP based SAP system. It is one of the SAP system. Next, SAP front-end server also. SAP front-end server. It is also ABAP based SAP system. SAP front-end server is ABAP based SAP system by using NetWeaver ACE ABAP 7.52. We install that one. NetWeaver ACE ABAP 7.52. Databases is SAP ASC or SAP MashDB or SAP Hana. Three databases is available. In this three database, we use any database and install NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. That system is called as SAP Front-End Server. It is ABAP-based SAP system. Next one is two systems is completed. SAP ECC. SAP ECC also ABAP-based SAP system. SAP ECC also ABAP-based SAP system. By using SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 6 or EHP 7 or EHP 8, we installed SAP ECC system. All databases is supported. SAP ECC is one of the SAP system. That is ABAP-based SAP system. SAP BW. SAP BW. It is also ABAP-based SAP system. By using SAP NetWeaver 7.5 or NetWeaver is ABAP 7.5 to mostly NetWeaver 7.5 only 99%, or NetWeaver is ABAP 7.52. It is possible to install. It is possible to install SAP. So install NetWeaver is ABAP 7.52. Sorry, it is possible to install SAP BW system. So SAP BW is ABAP-based SAP system. Next, SAP CRM server, SCM server, SRM server. SAP CRM server, SAP SCM server, or SAP SRM server. These three also ABAP-based SAP systems only. ABAP-based SAP system. So by using SAP CRM 7.0 EHP2 or EHP3 or EHP4, by using SAP SM 7.0 EHP2 or EHP3 or EHP4, by using SAP SRM 7.0 EHP2 or EHP3 or EHP4, all DB is supported. Here we saw. When we go to SAP Business Suite, CRM, ERP, SCM, SRM. So these four SAP applications is supported for installing ABAP-based SAP systems only. SAP applications is supported for installing ABAP-based SAP system only. Okay, here we saw SAP CRM 7.0 ABAP, SAP ERP 6.0 ABAP, SAP SM 7.0 ABAP, SAP SRM 7.0 ABAP. So I'm telling SAP applications is supported for installing ABAP based SAP system only. By using SAP CRM application only, we install SAP CRM server. By using SAP SM application, we install SAP SM server. By using SAP SRM application, we install SAP SRM server. And not only that one, by using NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP, NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP, SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP system, we install SAP BW system. And here another one also is there, SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP system also. So SAP Solution Manager 7.2 product version also is supported for installing ABAP system. That is about ABAP based SAP system. Now Java based SAP system. SAP systems based on AS Java. So already I show here. SAP system is supported for installing in company. We use SAP systems or ABAP system or Java system. In company, we use ABAP system or Java system. Now Java systems, SAP XSS, SAP Employee and Manager Self-Services. I already told by using SAP ERP application, but nowadays it is not possible to install. SAP Enterprise Portal by using NetWeaver 7.5 Java. SAP Solution Manager Java also is there. Not only ABAP, SAP Solution Manager Java also we use. Nowadays, what are the softwares is available for installing Java system means SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java is there. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 product version is there. And SAP S/4HANA Java also is there. These three product versions only, these three softwares only nowadays is available for installing Java system. So here now we want to know about single stack system, dual stack system, separate stack system. What is single stack system? What is dual stack system? What is separate stack system? First of all, single system means in your laptop, we install ABAP system or Java system, that is called as single stack system. Suppose in front of you, you have two laptops is there. In one laptop, you install ABAP based SAP system. In another laptop, you install Java based SAP system. So in one laptop, you maintain only one system, ABAP system or Java system. That is called a single stack system. Nowadays in company, they maintain single stack system only. That means in one system, they install ABAP system. In another system, they install Java system. Like that only they maintain in company. Now, what is dual stack system means? In single system only, we maintain ABAP system and Java system. That is dual stack system. For example, NetWeaver 7.5 also they use for dual stack system in company. For example, in single system only, we install SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP and we install SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java also. But like this, two different names we want to put. So SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java. These two we installed in single system also is possible. That is called as dual stack system. But actual dual stack system means, for example, SMD. In SMD only, SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP and SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java. That means in single ID, in single SAP system ID only, we install ABAP and Java. How it is possible? It is possible in olden days. How means SAP Solution Manager 7.1. I already installed in olden days in 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. On the time, that product version is very, very important. So when we install SAP Solution Manager 7.1, what will be happen means at a time, ABAP and Java both will be installed in single installation only. In single installation only, ABAP and Java both will be installed in single system only with single name only, single system ID only. Nowadays, how we installed SAP Solution Manager? Nowadays, first we want to install SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP. After we want to install SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java. At the time, it's not possible. In company, what they do? They install SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP in one system. They install SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java in another system. So that is dual stack system. This is. Nowadays, dual stack system is not possible in company. They are not maintaining dual stack systems nowadays. They are maintaining only single stack system only. Now, what is separate stack system means? So, in companies nowadays who are using dual stack system, they separate ABAP or Java in another system. Dual stack system means they are maintaining ABAP and Java in single system. For example, these two systems we are maintaining in single system. I put another system. I separate NetWeaver 7.5 Java in another system that is called a separate stack system. So twins is there. So one lady gave birth to twins. So they born with attached. Both are attached. On the time what they do, that is dual stack. Both twins are attached means it is dual stack. So both twins are separated means they use scissor and cut. What the bond between the both are babies? What the bond between there? We use scissor and cut means they separated, and it is called a separate stack system like that only one. So here we are learning what is single stack system, what is dual stack system, what is separate stack system. Here option also is there. Here we saw dual stack split. That one only. Dual stack split means here is there. Splitting a dual stack system that is based on SAP NetWeaver into one ABAP stack and Java stack. Each will. Nowadays, dual stack system means what means? We install SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP and we install SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java in single system only with the two different IDs. So we are separating that NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP or Java in another system that is called as this dual stack split. I try this experiment also is possible in my system means is possible means I show how to do dual stack system. But here common SAP system ID for all application servers and the database. Maximum it is not possible. Because NetWeaver 7.5 and NetWeaver 7.5 they maintain different SAP system IDs. But common database is possible. Same database we use for ABAP and Java is possible. Okay. So that is about here. SAP systems based on AS ABAP and AS Java is called as dual stack system. Definition is there. SAP system that are based simultaneously on AS ABAP and AS Java are called dual stack system. SAP systems that are based either on AS ABAP or AS Java are called single stack system. So in unit 1 describing SAP system architecture, in that unit, lesson 1 is completed. We take another class means lesson 2 also will be complete. One class is enough to complete the lesson 2 and lesson 3. So one class is enough to complete that entire unit. So tomorrow class, we complete that entire unit. So unit 1 unit will be complete after tomorrow class.